I think the thing that I'm most excited to take back to our dealership and to my staff of salespeople is the phone skills and the phone techniques. I think that's going to really help drive business to our dealership that we're missing now. I expect an increase of sales of, I would say, 25% right out of the gate, just knowing what we're doing now and kind of forecasting and looking forward to what we will be doing. So I think some of the processes, once we get the training implemented, that will really benefit our store are going to be structure. And I think it will also lend kind of ownership to a lot of my salespeople and kind of give them that nudge to really perform for themselves and to help them kind of excel. So the 2.5-day management by fire, I think for my dealership specifically, my general manager and dealer principal would benefit immensely from it. But anybody in a management position would really benefit from this course.